Okay, so first I want to discuss. I think you have already revised, but just need to. If they ask us the tensile formula, then 0.0675 p by d square is our formula. 0.0675 p by d square. And if they ask the p velocity, then 4 by 3 g plus k by rho, root में. So where the g is shear model and k is bulk model and rho is the density. We are just go through our formulas. What is the point load? Point load is the p by d square, where the p is the load, d is the diameter, or sorry, distance between the point load. So p by d square, p by d square is the point load. And what is the uniaxial compressive strength? 24 times of the point load. And what is the formula of the uniaxial compressive strength? That is force by area. If you know the area, you can find out the force by area. So you should need to calculate the formula. So force by area. Okay. And this formula you should also uh, remember. So compressive strength divided by 0.778 plus 0.222 d by L. And what is the Brazilian formula? So 2F by pi dl. Yeah, 2F by pi RL you can say, or F by pi RL, or F 2F by pi dl, because R is the d by 2. So either you remember this or this. So 2F by pi dl, 2F by pi dl, 2F by pi dl, 2F by pi dl. This is the Brazilian formula. And पंच 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 shearer टेस्ट क्या होता है? P by pi dl, P by pi dt, P by pi dt, P by pi dt. And what is the Brazilian? 2F by pi dl, 2F by pi dl. और पंच shearer P by pi dt, P by pi dt. या यहाँ आपको याद रखना है, you should know that T is the thickness and P is the load applied. And then we have seen that classification. So gamble, if you play the game, you do gambling, then you are not durable. So durability. And ds is a rqd. If the single d rays, then rqd. And if the dr plus someone Miller hai, then the basis will be uniaxial compressive strength. And Barton का Q system, Hansengi C factor, Benevesky RMR, Benevesky RMR, Benevesky RMR. Gamble durable DR RQD, DR and Miller uniaxial compressive strength, Benevesky RMR, Barton Q system, Hansengi C factor, Hansengi C factor. Then we have seen the principal stress. The major principal stress sigma x plus sigma y by 2 plus अंडर रूट में चल रहा है सिग्मा एक्स माइनस सिग्मा वाई बाई 2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस टॉ जेड एक्स स्क्वायर. So this, if here plus, then it is a major. If we are considering minus sigma x plus sigma y by 2 minus अंडर रूट सिग्मा एक्स माइनस सिग्मा वाई बाई 2 का स्क्वायर प्लस टो एक्स जेड, ये दिस इज द minor principal stress. And you should also need this formula, which is theta, with theta between major and vertical stress, major and vertical stress, that is half cos inverse 2 of vertical stress minus major minus minor divided by major minus minor. What is the formula? 2 vertical stress minus major minus minor divided by major minus minor equal to cos theta, you can say 2 cos 2 theta. Okay. Okay, so then we have seen some we had started numerical also. So I told you porosity. I am just revising the formula. I will not give you the answers. So porosity formula will be volume of void divided by volume of total. Okay, volume total is the volume of void plus volume of solid. Okay, and the moisture content formula is the weight of water present divided by weight of solid is our moisture content. Porosity already we have seen. Porosity we have seen, and void ratio. Void ratio formula is volume of void divided by volume of solid. This is void ratio. And if porosity, then volume of void divided by volume of void plus volume of solid or volume of total. This is the difference. Then we have seen the saturated density formula. That means volume of solid, density of solid, volume of water, density of water divided by volume of solid plus volume of water. This is your saturated density formula. Okay. And we have already seen that density of water will be 1000 if he asks in kilogram per meter cube, and 1 we will consider when the ton by meter cube. You just remember 1000 kg by meter cube. You have 1 minute to solve this question. Try to solve this question. You have 1 minute. In this question, what he has asked. In this question, he has asked to find out the porosity of the rock in the percentage. We have to calculate the porosity. Then you should need the porosity formula. What is the formula of porosity? Porosity formula is the volume of void divided by volume total volume. So volume is volume of void divided by volume of void. You can say also total volume. Now we will read our question. Dry rock sample diameter. He has given us the diameter which is 50 mm, and the length he has given us 100 mm. Weight 300 gram, and specific gravity he has given us 1.05. So its weight increased to 330. So initial weight is 1 and weight 2 after saturation is 330 gram of the. Okay, so this information he has given us, and he has asked the porosity. So we need volume of void, then we need volume of total. If we know these detail, we can solve our question. So how we will approach? First, try to find out the volume of void. How we will find out? How can we find out? So weight of saturation, weight of saturated sample or core equal to the weight of saturation minus weight of dry sample. We want to find out the change. It will give us the volume of void into density. What I am doing, I am देखो, this is your sample and some pores or void are there. So water is filled in the some of the holes. So its weight is increased from 300 to 330. So if we subtract from 330 to 300, we will get volume of void into density or weight of water, you can say. So it will give us the weight of water, or just I want to erase it. So what I am doing, that if you, the final product is 330 and initial means dry sample is 300, if you minus it, you will get weight of water. Weight of water is the volume of void multiplied with the density. So it will be 330 minus 300. It is 300 and 330 is the in gram. So we will divide by 1000 to calculate in kg, which should be equal to the volume of void into density. We know specific gravity is 1.05. So as we know, it is density of solid by density of water, which is 1.05. We know density of water, so we which is 1000. We will multiply with the 1000. We will know density of solid will be 1050. Okay, so it will be 330 minus 300. It will remain 30, and it will be 10,000 equal to volume of void multiply with the 1050. So volume of void will be 330 divided by 1000 divided by 1050. It will come in meter cube. Okay, so please remember up to this. Due to some reason it यार मिट गया है, so I will write down it. So weight of change or weight of water, weight of, it will be weight of saturated minus weight of dry sample. 330 minus 300 equal to volume of void multiply with the density. So it will 30. It is a gram, so we will divide it by 1000. Volume of void into density. So we know specific gravity, which is 1.05. So density by density of water equal to 1.05. So density will be 1050 because density of water is 1000. So 30 divided by 1000 divided by 1050, we will get volume of void. It is a meter cube. Okay. Now, what we want to calculate? We want to calculate porosity. So porosity, what is the formula of porosity? Volume of void divided by volume of total. So volume of void we already calculated, 1000 into 1050 divided by volume of total. So it is the dry sample of the diameter 50 mm and length is 100 mm. So convert in meter or centimeter, it is up to you. If you want to convert it in meter or centimeter, you can multiply 3000 divided by 1000 and 1050. It is a meter cube. So if you want to convert it, multiply with the, we will multiply with, if I need I will put it down. So and volume of the sample will be pi. This is a cylinder. So I told you when I took a class and I told you to remember the formula of cylinder and cubic and circle. So what is the volume formula? Volume will be pi r square h. This is r, this is r. So pi d square l by 4. So it will be pi d square by 4 into L, which will be 330 divided by 1000, 1050, pi यानी कि 3.14, and d is diameter. So we will, if we convert it, the length is the mm. So if we convert in the centimeter, multiply with the 10 6. So 10 to power 6, it will 3, and 10, 3 3 is the 9, 3 5 ja. So it will be 1000 divided by 35. I am using the calculator. 30 divided by 1000 divided by 1050. So okay, 1000 divided by 35. So it will give us 28.57. So I can directly write it. It will be 28.57 divided by pi. Pi is 3.14 d. This is the centimeter. So we have to take the diameter in the centimeter. So 50 mm. If we convert mm in centimeter, then we will divide by 10. So it will be 5 centimeter. If we want to convert it 100 mm into the centimeter, then it will be 10 centimeter. So take the value. So it value will become 0.1455. So he has asked in the percentage. So multiply with the 100. It will be our answer. Any doubt related to this question? Please let me know. Those who have a doubt, do not have a doubt, try to give the answer of question number 5. और जिसको डाउट है वो they can ask, or those who don't have any doubt, they can give the answer of the question number 5. Please mention that in your answer, that question number 5 answer is this. Please comment if anybody has any doubt related to question number 4. देखो, what is the Prathik surface experience? First, try to understand. So, if this is the your boundary and it is your unsaturated zone, and it is your saturated zone. So, some pressure is applying from unsaturated zone and some pressure is applying outside saturated zone. So this zone where pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure is known as Prathik. What is Prathik surface experience a pressure equal to the atmospheric pressure? It is definition. Because in the category they have not mentioned, so we didn't discuss. But what is the Prathik surface experience? Where the unsaturated saturated boundary, where the pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure, then it is known as the Prathik surface experience. Please try to solve question number 6. In this question, we have to find out the Unit weight. What is the formula of the unit weight? Everybody know. Unit weight. We have to find out the unit weight. I will wait 30 seconds, then I will try to solve this question. Okay. Please try this question.
To watch the complete video, download Mining Gyan 2.0 app from the Play Store and enjoy seamless learning with Mining Gyan 2.0.